Quite frequently I get asked, what is the success rate of data recovery for CBL? The best answer to that is the fact that we have been doubling our growth annually for the last 7 years, and that is based on our successful recoveries. We're very fortunate at CBL to have a team of highly skilled and professional engineers and technicians. We have the wherewithal to stick to a project until we see it through. It doesn't matter what the issue is. We have the expertise and the ingenuity to make it work.
What's going on? I can't access the network.
The server's down. I'm trying to restore it. Give me a few minutes.
Data loss can occur from physical damage to the hard drive, from viruses, human intervention, file deletions, natural disasters. Everybody and anybody that has a computer is affected by the problem of having that hard drive failure and having to save that valuable, critical data. We need to let people know that we are here to do that job for them.
It's worse than we thought. The main array is crashed and the backup won't restore.
When can I access the drawing database?
And you're not going to want to hear this, but as of right now, there is no database. This affects everything.
This can't be happening. If we don't get the drawings to the client by the end of the week, we'll lose them.
Our customers can rest easy knowing that we have controlled access by employees only. There are no customers allowed into any of the secure areas. Within that secure area is a clean room, which is a Class 100 clean room. We also have a vault where we store sensitive information. When their hard drive and their critical data comes into the hands of CBL, it is securely taken care of.
I'm a special effects director, editor, producer, designer. I do a lot of things with computers. I've been designing camera systems and equipment which I take into the wilderness with my partner. We went off to Russia, we went up to the Canadian Arctic. We were shooting 14th century monasteries and underwater beluga whales. Priceless footage. So anyways, we got all this material, we're editing our presentation, putting together our boards and everything else for this big conference in Paris, and 2 days before that, the drive dies. I think I was in a state of shock. You know, what do you do when 18 months of your life is just gone? My partner called Kelly, and Kelly said, bring it up, we'll see what we can do for you. Anyways, they brought it all back. All the material that you see with the beluga whales, the whale hunt, the video footage, the digital time lapse, and all of those panoramics, which are priceless.
Any luck?
There's a company here called CBL Data Recovery Technologies. They're based in Canada and they have labs and offices all over the world. It says here they offer a secure environment with controlled access. They've even recovered government data.
Call them immediately.
Data recovery is a very cost-effective way to maintain continuity in your business. We understand the importance of getting that data back as quickly as possible. Through the streamlining of operation, we probably have the fastest turnaround time of any data recovery business in the world.
CBL Data Recovery, Laura speaking.
Our RAID system crashed and the backup won't restore. Can you help us?
You've called the right place. We recover thousands of projects every year.
Yeah, we've been down all afternoon. We need our data as soon as possible.
Don't worry. I'll arrange for a courier pickup right away. Once it arrives here, it will only take a few hours for a specialist to assess the problem.
Brilliant.
Our customer service is second to none. We here at CBL realize that every single data recovery situation is an emergency. Data loss is a very, very critical, emotional time for a lot of people. We have put into place real people to deal with real problems, real emergencies that are handled by someone.
Hello, James here.
Hi, James. This is Laura from CBL. Our lab has identified the problem with the RAID array, and I've just faxed you the report.
Oh, great. Yeah, thanks very much. Please let this be recoverable.
We had a problem with a disk drive one Friday afternoon, and it was sort of a highly stressful event. One of our employees recommended that we use CBL to see if they could recover the information. We delivered the disk to them Friday afternoon at 4 o'clock, and we had the replacement disk loaded with our old information returned to us on Tuesday morning. It saved us basically 2 weeks of working around the clock to recover similar information. I've already recommended CBL services to other people who've had similar disk drive problems, and they've had excellent service as well.
Hi, this is Laura again. I've got great news. We've recovered all your data and secured it on CDs. They're on the way back to you as we speak.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Any news?
Looks like you're going to make that deadline after all.
Probably one of the most important aspects of CBL data recovery is that we are so confident in our ability to recover data that we offer a no data, no charge policy. If you don't get data, we don't get paid.